Let's solve this question. Given an equilateral triangle T1 with side x centimeter, a second triangle T2 is formed by joining the midpoints of side T1. So, equilateral triangle T1 is given. This is triangle T1 whose side are x, x, and x. Now, by joining the midpoint of each side, another equilateral triangle is formed, which is T2. Now, again, by joining the midpoint of this triangle, one more equilateral triangle is formed, and it is repeated till infinity. So, triangle T3, this is triangle T4, and infinite triangles are formed. It is given. Then a third triangle T3 is formed by joining the midpoint of T2. If this process of forming triangles is continued, the sum of areas of infinitely many such triangles would be 432 root 3 square centimeters. So sum of areas of, that is area of P1 plus P2 plus P3 and until infinity, it is given me as 432 root 3. Let's just find the area of T1. I know the area of triangle T1 would be area of an equilateral triangle is root 3 side square by 4 or root 3 by 4 into side square. Side is given me as x. So it would be x square. Now, area of triangle T2. Now, let's just see that this triangle is formed, this triangle T2 is formed by joining the midpoint of these sides. If this is the midpoint, the length of this side is x by 2, length of this side is x by 2, length of this side would be x by 2 because these four equilateral triangles are formed by joining the midpoints. So it would be x by 2. So the side of formed equilateral triangle would be x by 2. So its area must be root 3 by 4 into side square, that is x square by 2 square is 4 or 1 by 4 times the area of earlier equilateral triangle. Again, find the area of T3. The side of T3 would be, we can observe the pattern here that length of side is becoming half every time. So the length of this triangle T3 would be x by 4. And I can see the pattern here that area of each such equilateral triangle is becoming 1/4 of the earlier area. So T3 would become root 3 by 4 x square into 1 by 16. So let's just add these areas of infinite triangles. So it would be root 3 by 4. I am taking this expression as common from every area. So root 3 by 4 x square times 1 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 16 and up till infinity is given me as 432 root 3. This is the geometric progression or the infinite GP series whose sum is given as a upon 1 minus r, because the common ratio here is less than 1. Common ratio in this series is 1 by 4. Next term is formed by multiplying 1 by 4 each time. So r is 1 by 4 and a is 1 here. So the sum of this infinite series, the sum till infinity would be 1 upon 1 minus 1 by 4, that is 4 by 3. So this sum is 4 by 3. So I'm writing this expression here, root 3 by 4 x square into this infinite GT sum, that is 4 by 3. 4 by 3 is given me as 432 root 3. So solving this expression to get the value of x, I get root 3 get cancelled, this 4 get cancelled, and x square becomes 6, 9, 12. And I know 1296 is the square of 36. So then find x. So the value of x comes out to be 36. So correct answer to this question is 36 units.